Ever dreamed of living in a hobbit house, or perhaps an extraordinary sauna or a banquet hall? That'd be all over social media. Revonia's team can make these and other projects a reality. They specialized in buildings with vaulted ceilings, working with precast reinforced concrete modules with tile foundations already in place. The process resembles playing with a giant Lego set. The construction scale depends on the customer's preferences and capabilities. For instance, these experts crafted a 130 square meter house on the planks of the Purnu River in Estonia. Rainwater is good not only for watering plants or washing clothes, it's also a way to conserve groundwater and save money. That's why systems for collecting and storing rainwater are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Graf, for instance, offers the Karatex XL tanks with a capacity of up to 122,000 liters. According to them, using these tanks can cut tap water use in half. Their reliability is backed by a 15-year warranty, the best on the market. Additionally, if needed, these tanks can be used to build septic tanks or water storage systems for firefighting. Despite technological advancements in construction, masons in many countries still perform about 90% of their work by hand. Consequently, the final quality relies heavily on the mason's skill. The creators of the Maxit system aim to simplify their work and reduce potential errors. Masons no longer need to work with mortar, clean their tools, or inhale dust. Now they only need to use these rectangular mortar pads and water. Weighing only 300 grams per pad, the job becomes easier and about 24% faster than before. Aquascape, the top manufacturer of decorative ponds in America, presents an intriguing method to upgrade your yard. They offer an autonomous waterfall that doesn't require a pond. Water is stored in an underground reservoir and circulates with the help of a pump. The construction is compact and fits perfectly by the window. Falling asleep and waking up to the gentle murmur of the waterfall is a compelling reason to invest $1,500. For this price, buyers get a DIY kit for a 1-meter waterfall. Meanwhile, at other construction sites, craftsmen use polyglass membranes for waterproofing. Each membrane is a sandwich of several layers. For instance, the anti-radius-like P version is bitumen-based and incorporates Evolith, a non-woven material reinforced with longitudinal strands of fiberglass. The membrane also includes Prevent Old B2. This liquid forms a chemical barrier against punctures, simultaneously enhancing resistance. Besides these features, the membrane maintains flexibility even at low temperatures. The yurt cabin is a compact cabin resembling a yurt that you can easily build yourself. It's a fantastic choice for individual buyers and campgrounds, as it can be lived in throughout the year thanks to its modular design. Assembling the yurt cabin takes only 3 to 5 days, with no need for heavy machinery or a concrete foundation. The cabin's frame is made from wood, and the walls are insulated with fiberglass. The 20.2 square meter yurt cabin is priced at $30,000. Additional amenities like solar panels, a heater, a heat pump, and more would need to be purchased separately. In lots of public gardens and parks, paths turn into puddles after rain. To tackle this issue, Wholesome suggests using Camper Drain, a unique porous concrete About 20% of the concrete's total volume contains voids, enabling water to float directly into the drainage layers below. Camper drain can be made in a color that blends with the park and is suitable for use on bicycle parts. Just like regular concrete, camper drain can be installed by hand without any hassles, letting you enjoy your stroll after rain. Next in our lineup is Click-On Cladding. It's versatile for both interior and exterior projects, blending the classic tongue and groove system with a unique click-on connection. This connection replaces traditional screw systems, making installation easier even for non-specialists. Designers appreciate its modularity, allowing them to get creative. This purple polyurethane foam is suitable for both residential and industrial buildings. Wall type boasts lower thermal conductivity than its competitors, resulting in increased heating savings. Additionally, it further stabilizes cavity walls and can also be used in floors and roofs if needed. And of course, the foam reduces the risk of condensation and mold formation inside the building. Steel reinforcement has been crucial in concrete structures for decades. However, it's often not the best solution. For instance, it can interfere with equipment like MRI and CT scanners. To address this, many companies provide composite reinforcement as an alternative, and one such option comes from the German company Schierke. Their fiberglass rods don't distort signals, resist corrosion, and handle aggressive reagents well. Moreover, compared to steel, fiberglass reinforcement conducts heat 10 times less, minimizing heat losses. The creators of Yosemite mounts aim to secure $15,000 on Kickstarter, but in the end they pulled in around $195,000. Yet their mounts don't boast NASA-style technology or fancy features. They simply tackle the simplest of problems, assisting in shelf assembly. A rack with 4 Yosemite brackets can support a load of 453 kilograms, making it ideal for garages, workshops, or any space storing a lot of items. The brackets are already patented, and a set of 16 mounts is available for $149. Workers commonly resort to improvisation using nails, screws, wood, and plastic elements to secure artificial turf around the perimeter. This process is both cumbersome and time-consuming. Luckily, some craftsmen are acquainted with VertEdge. These green panels efficiently and neatly attach lawn edging. The panels are designed to create rounded edges and adapt to curved areas. They resist rods, warping and expansion, lasting as long as the turf. A set of 10 panels, along with a pack of glue, costs $73 and is enough to cover 7.5 meters.